Hi, my name is Susliana Arpinayagam. Today, I will be presenting about on green packaging in inventory management. This topic is very important because today many companies are facing pressure to become more environmental responsible. At the same time, they still need to manage cost and efficiency. So, this presentation I will explain what green packaging impacts, real life example, and also its advantage and disadvantages. First, let's understand the definition of green packaging. Green packaging refers to the use of environmental friendly materials and processes in packing products. This means companies try to reduce harm to the environment during packaging. For example, instead of using plastics, the company may use paper-based recyclable or biodegradable materials that can break down naturally. It also includes reducing unnecessary packaging, using reusable packaging, and improving packaging design to minimize waste. Another important point is reducing the carbon footprint. This means lowering the amount of carbon emissions produced during production, packaging, and transportation. So overall, green packaging supports sustainability, which is about meeting current needs without harming future generation. Now, let's look at the impact of green packaging in more detail. First, environment impact. Green packaging helps reduce landfill waste because materials can be recycled or reused. It also reduces pollution, especially plastic pollution, which is a major global issue. Secondly, cost efficiency. Although green packaging may require a high initial investment, in long term, company can actually save costs. This is because they use fewer materials, reduce waste disposal costs, and improve strong efficiency. For example, lighter packaging can reduce shipping costs because it lowers fuel consumption. Thirdly, brand image. Today, consumers are more aware about environmental issues. Many prefer to support companies are eco-friendly. So, by adopting to green packaging, company can actually attract more customer, build trust, and improve their overall reputation in the market. A well-known example for green packaging is IKEA. IKEA use flat rack packaging, which means their products are packed in a compact and space-saving way. This allows more product to fit into one shipment, which reduces the number of trips needed for transportation. As a result, it lower the fuel usage and carbon emissions. In addition, IKEA uses recyclable and sustainability materials for packaging. This strategy not only helps the environment but also reduce logistic and transportation costs as well. So this example clearly shows how green packaging and can improve both environment sustainability and operational efficiency at the same time. Next, let's discuss about the advantage and disadvantage. Starting with the advantage, green packaging is environmental friendly, which helps to reduce pollution and conserve natural resources. It also leads to cost saving in the long run because company can reduce material usage and waste management expenses. Another important advantage is improving brand image. Companies can use eco-friendly practices are often seen as more responsible and trustworthy. However, there also have some disadvantages. One is one major challenge is higher initial costs. Eco-friendly material and technology can be expensive at the beginning. Another issue is limited material options. So not all product can be easily packed using green material. Lastly, supplier challenges. It may be difficult to find reliable suppliers who can provide sustainable material consistently. So companies need to proper planning before switching to green packaging. In conclusion, green packaging plays a very important role in modern inventory management. It helps reduce environmental impact while also improving efficiency and business performance. Even though there are so many challenges, the long-term benefits are significant. As environmental awareness continues to grow, more companies are expected to adopt green packaging practices. Therefore, business should start investing in sustainable solutions now to remain competitive and responsible in the future.